Hi babes, here is a highly requested full day meeting for you. Started my day off with Bare Melt protein bar, the best protein bar in the game right now in my opinion. I bike to work to get a little loose before my clients. Protein shake and 3 packs of low sugar oatmeal before I have my first workout, which is a run to start off my workout. 2 to 3 miles I usually go to, give or take. Post-workout for my carbs, I usually have a banana, which is a fantastic post-workout. And then I have my protein-filled farmhouse skillet from FlexPro meals. You guys look at that, eggs and potatoes, taste fantastic. Use the code LordShane for 40% off your first order. FlexPro meals, fantastic. Here I am getting some steps in before my next client. Guys, I try to shoot for around 10 to 12,000 steps a day. My second workout of the day here is a push-pull I usually do, or a leg day throughout the week. Chest, back, and shoulders. It's usually around 45 to an hour long of a workout. Next, I have a snack throughout the day. It's gonna be my Greek yogurt. I have 2 of those. Another FlexPro meal. Southwest chicken bowl, sweet potatoes, chicken, a little rice. Absolutely fantastic. Protein bar, I love chocolate, so I have 2 of them throughout the day. Never met a mirror that I want to pop my tush in. Whoop, there we go. 222 for all you haters out there. Look at that Greek god physique. It's around 2,300 calories. Love you.